Negi.
Megha, which exam did you appear for?
I gave a C to 2025.
Okay, so what was the overall difficulty level?
It was like एग्जाम में जैसे बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन नहीं थे. इट वाज लाइक हमें थिंकिंग वाले क्वेश्चन थे. फर्स्ट पार्ट वाज उसमें टाइम 1 घंटे का था एंड उसमें जल्दी जल्दी यू हैव टू आंसर द क्वेश्चंस क्योंकि उसमें नेगेटिव मार्किंग भी थी तो वो थोड़ा टाइम लगा. एंड सेकंड वाले पार्ट में जिसमें ड्राइंग पार्ट था उसमें भी थिंकिंग का प्रोसेस का काम ज़्यादा था. उसके बाद ड्रॉ करना वाज काइंड ऑफ इजी.
Some of the questions you could recall?
या ड्राइंग वाले पार्ट से क्वेश्चंस कुछ थे जो एक मग वाला क्वेश्चन था वो प्रीवियस ईयर का आई थिंक था. मैंने सिमिलर क्वेश्चन देखा था. उसमें सेकंड क्वेश्चन कुछ ऐसा था कि एक बियर है जो दो बच्चों को डरा रहा है एंड एक वुल्फ देख रहा है तो उस सीन को क्रिएट करना था.
Okay. Were there any technical glitch?
हाँ जी.
Were there any technical glitch?
नहीं टेक्निकल ग्लिच आई डोंट थिंक सो कुछ था.
Okay. The cutoff that you are expecting?
अभी एक्सपेक्टेशन तो ऐसा मैं नहीं रखती थी.
So tell me your name.
My name is Anika.
Anika. So which exam did you appear for?
It was C.
Seed you appeared for. How was the overall difficulty level?
I would say it was pretty much fine, average.
And which sections were easy and which were difficult?
That wasn't something like easy or difficult. It was all about time management.
Okay.
Yeah.
And could you recall some of the questions?
There were maximum pattern questions.
Okay.
Yeah, this is what I can do.
Okay. And were there any technical glitch? What was the delay that you guys came out late?
There wasn't any. Like right now, yeah. After exam, it was like they were taking out the slips and stuff and maintaining all the technical like switching off the computers and stuff. So yeah.
Okay. And what cutoff you're expecting?
Maybe around 50 or 52, maybe.
Thank you very much. How was the overall difficulty level?
Normal.
Okay, normal.
Fine.
Which sections were easy and which were difficult?
NAT is easy and MCQ was.
Okay. Any question that you remember?
I don't remember that.
Okay. And were there any technical glitch in the exam or it was completely smooth? Were there any technical glitch? कोई इशू था एग्जाम में या स्मूथ था बिल्कुल? ओके. कट ऑफ जो आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो?
120.
120?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Best of luck.
Anjanay,
Which exam did you appear for?
UC.
UC. And if you could tell me which topics were easy and which were difficult?
So, none were difficult, all were easy to moderate, but especially in the part A, all NAT, MSQ and MCQ questions were fairly easy to do and they didn't require a lot of time either. But when it came to drawing, that was also easy but lacking in time, so time was an issue for most people.
Some of the questions you could recall?
We got a few questions in numerical aptitude where it was a circle divided in 8 parts and numbers were given to us and we had to find one missing number. And the pattern there was that the number that was given to us was a quotient of the multiplication of one number and the number before it and the number after it.
Okay. Okay. Were there any technical glitch in the exam or it was completely smooth?
So the exam was very smooth, very well managed. All the invigilators were fairly vigilant and they were doing the job well. And the exam was very well coded and no problems.
Okay. Okay. And the cutoff that you are expecting?
For the drawing part, I expected to be around 30 marks because a lot of people could not attempt either section, let alone one. And for section A, it can be close to 90 or 100.
Total? I mean, overall?
The total would come out to about 120, 150.
Okay. Thank you. First, tell me your name.
Aniket Singh Chauhan.
So, Aniket, which exam did you appear for?
UCED exam.
UCED exam. How was the overall difficulty level?
The difficulty level I would say was like a 7 out of 10.
Okay.
It was mostly like majorly math section which I'm not very good at. But other than that it was pretty good.
Okay. And which section did you find easy?
I found the section B.
Section B?
MSL.
Okay. Okay. Any question you remember? I mean,
Not
not exactly. Okay, that's fine. So, what cutoff you are expecting?
my cutoff.
Overall cutoff?
Uh,
Were there any technical glitch?
100 or something.
No, I'm saying, were there any technical glitch or exam was very
The exam
smooth?
was very good.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much, Aniket. Exam did you appear for?
UC 2020.
UC 2020. How was the overall difficulty level?
It was moderate, not so easy, not so tough.
Which sections were easy and which were difficult?
According to me, it was the drawing part that was difficult. Means in 1 hour it is not much manageable to attempt both the questions and do very nicely.
Okay. Any question that you remember?
Of drawing,
Yeah, no, of any of the topics.
and like it was the logo of India Post, and it was the count of number of triangles. This type.
Okay. Were there any technical glitch in the
No,
paper?
no.
It was smooth. And what cutoff you're expecting?
I think around the last year, same.
Okay, it's going to be same. Thank you very much. Tell me your name.
My name is Chinmay.
Which exam did you appear for?
I appeared for CED exam.
Okay, CED exam. Which topics were easy? You found which were easy and which were difficult?
Topics were not like difficult. Like अगर आपने पहले दिया हुआ है कोई एग्जाम डिजाइन का तो आपके लिए difficult नहीं होगा.
Any question that you recall?
Any question that I recall? वो तो कुछ मुश्किल है. अभी तो ऐसे रिमेम्बर नहीं है.
Okay. कोई टेक्निकल ग्लिच था एग्जाम में?
एग्जाम में कोई टेक्निकल नहीं.
कट ऑफ आप क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं?
कट ऑफ इसकी अब की बार सीड की शायद last time कितना कोई रहा नहीं है. But approx जब NIT दिया था मैंने तब उस टाइम 70 थी. अब की बार तो शायद नो आइडिया.
Okay.